Once upon a time, there was a Muslim king named Sultan Alauddin. He was a wise and just ruler, and his people loved him. One day, a drought struck the kingdom. The crops failed, and the people began to starve. Sultan Alauddin knew that he had to do something to help his people, so he called a meeting of his advisors. "We must find a way to bring rain to the kingdom," the Sultan said. "If we do not, the people will die." The advisors discussed the matter for a long time, but they could not come up with a solution. Finally, one of the advisors spoke up. "I have heard of a wise man who lives in the mountains," the advisor said. "He may be able to help us." The Sultan agreed to send a delegation to the mountains to seek the advice of the wise man. The delegation traveled for many days, and finally they reached the wise man's cave. The wise man listened to the delegation's story, and then he said, "I can help you, but it will not be easy. You must build a dam in the river. The dam will store water, and when the drought is over, you can release the water to irrigate your crops." The Sultan and his advisors were grateful for the wise man's help. They returned to the kingdom and began to build the dam. The work was hard, but the people were determined to help. Finally, after many months, the dam was completed. When the rains came, the dam held back the water. The people were able to irrigate their crops, and the drought was over. The kingdom was saved, and the people were grateful to Sultan Alauddin for his wisdom and leadership. The Sultan ruled for many years, and he was always a just and compassionate ruler.